Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a waterfall. Let's start. First, draw a wiggly line. Like this. And another straight line on this side. And from this, draw a line, swarmy line. And from here, draw a up and a down. And a wiggly line like this. Now from here, draw a wiggly line. And another wiggly line. Now from here, draw a line like this. And connect this like this. And on this side, do the same thing. Never mind. A swarming line, and then a connect like this. And lines like this. We're done. But we can add some backgrounds, like birds and stuff like that. I'm making lily pads. We're done. Wow, it's awesome. It looks like real water is falling. Time to color. First, we'll start with the sky and the water, which will be blue. A waterfall means a water falling from a cliff, a rock, or anything. But it's not falling from the sky. That would be weird. It does look like it's falling from the sky, but it's not. That's why we drew this and this. It's coming from the rocks, just like I said. We're done with the sky. Now, off to the water. Oops, first I need to actually draw color in the lily pads. I'm done. Now I'll wait for my dad. We're done coloring our water. Next, we'll color hills green. And these two are rocks. They're not hills, they're rocks. Green. Where's my green? We are almost done coloring. And now we'll color these two rocks. Okay. I'll need some green and I want to copy my dad. I wonder what he's doing. I want to see and watch and copy. I bet that is grass on the rock or something. Now he's adding brown. Oopsies. We're done. Bye.